Here we have an early set of Yamaha XJR1300 clocks, those that have got the mechanical speedo, so there's no LCD displays and no electrical buttons on them, but I fitted a gear indicator to this set, so if I just power them on, you'll see it does a sweep on the numbers 1 to 5 where the LEDs to mark the gears are, and as each gear is selected, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, they light up. They are dimmable. There's a single black wire that you can earth instead of having a button, because there isn't a button, but there is a single black wire that you can earth. So if I earth that momentarily, you can dim it. There's 5 different settings that you can have for the brilliance of the LEDs. I'll leave it on the bright setting, and if the side stand is down, you'll get a side stand warning like that, telling you to put the side stand up. Again, that pattern is also selectable, so if you earth the black wire, you can select from that pattern to, he says, yeah, that pattern. There's another one. You can turn it off altogether, or that one. I'll leave it on that one just to indicate as a reminder to put the side stand up, and then once you put the side stand up, it clears. So that's basically it. That's how they work. Hope you like them. Actually, I'll just turn the tacho on so you can see it doing a sweep. So if it was going through the gears again, it would be lighting up the relevant LEDs for whichever gear you're in. Anyway, these will soon be winging their way back to Scotland. Hope you like them.